Hey crypto enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're tackling how to transfer crypto from Coinbase to Kucoin in 2025. Whether you're diversifying your portfolio, exploring new trading opportunities, or just switching exchanges, this step-by-step guide will help you do it safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, ensure you have verified accounts on both Coinbase and Kucoin. Start by logging into your Coinbase account. Double-check that the cryptocurrency you want to transfer is available for withdrawal. Most assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum should be, but always confirm the requirements to avoid any surprises. Next, hop over to Kucoin and log in. Navigate to the Assets or Wallet section. Select the cryptocurrency you're receiving and generate or copy the deposit address. This is crucial. Make sure it matches the correct network, like ERC20 for Ethereum, to prevent transaction failures. Pro tip: enable two-factor authentication on both platforms for added security. Now, back on Coinbase, go to the specific crypto you want to transfer. Click on Send or Withdraw, then select the withdrawal option. You'll need to choose the right network here. Match it exactly with what Kucoin specified to avoid lost funds. Enter the Kucoin deposit address, specify the amount, and review the transaction details, including any fees. Coinbase typically charges a small withdrawal fee, so keep that in mind for your budget. Once everything looks good, hit Confirm, and you'll receive a verification code via email or app. Enter it to finalize the withdrawal. At this point, the transaction is on its way. Blockchain networks can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on congestion. Finally, head back to Kucoin and check your wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. If everything went smoothly, you're all set. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always double-check your steps. There you have it. Transferring crypto from Coinbase to Kucoin in 2025 is that straightforward. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.